Good morning, children. Welcome back. Your mom is back again with the concept of transport. We did in our previous video also. So we are again going to do transport, but this time two new questions, two different means of transport. Okay, and one new rhyme and few new vocab words. So are you ready? So we are going to first do our rhyme, and the rhyme is Hayya oh Hayya. It's a Hindi rhyme on water transport. On water transport. Shall we all recite together? Yes? Do you want to recite? Okay, let's get up everyone. Good. Now do it together. Hayya oh hayya, hayya oh hayya, पानी में चलती मेरी छोटी सी नैया, हैया ओ हैया, हैया ओ हैया, पानी में चलती मेरी छोटी सी नैया, आगे को चलती पीछे को चलती, दाएं को चलती बाएं को चलती, हैया ओ हैया, हैया ओ हैया. Wow! Did you like the rhyme? So let's clap for Megha ma'am. Wow, very good children. So this rhyme was based on water transport. On water transport. So we are going to introduce water transport today. So my first question of the day is name few water transport. Name few water transport. What is water transport? Anything which moves in water, जो पानी में चलती है, and which takes you from one place to another, that is called water transport. So my answer is boat and ship. I repeat, boat and ship are some means of water transport. Yes, let's do it again. Boat and ship are some means of water transport. Yes. Now, do you want to see boat and ship with ma'am? Do you want to see? Come, I'll show you. So, children, can you see boat? This is a boat. Okay, and this is a water transport. What this person is holding in his hand? These are oars. These are oars, and this is very slow. Okay, only few people can sit in a boat. Do you want to see another one? Yeah, this is a boat and only few people can sit, and it has oars. It does not run on any, it does not require any fuel. It does not require any fuel. And it's a water transport. It's a water transport. Now what is this? This is a ship. This is a ship, and it is very big. And so many people can sit and can go from one place to another. Can go from one place to another. Now I will show you one more boat. Okay, do you want to see? Yeah, that's also a boat, but it does not have oar. It does not move with the help of oar. It has a motor. It has a motor at the back, and it is faster than the normal boat. Okay, so this is also a water transport. So children, you have seen water transport. Now I'll introduce air transport. What is air transport? Anything which flies in the air and takes you from one place to another. Okay, that is air transport. So my question is, name few air transport. Name few air transport. And the answer is aeroplane and helicopter. Aeroplane and helicopter are some means of air transport. Are some means of air transport. Now, do you want to see air transport? Do you want to see? Yes. Okay, I'll show you. Come in, ma'am. So, children, can you see? What is this? This is an aeroplane. This is an aeroplane. And so many people can sit together in an aeroplane. And if you want to go from one place to another, which is very, very far, so we take a help of air transport. And it's a very, very big air transport. So many people can go together. Okay. Now I'll show you another one. That's an helicopter. That's an helicopter. Can you see fan on the top of helicopter? You can see helicopter in Vaishno Devi also. Yes, it's also an air transport. Very few people can go in this helicopter. Okay. So many people can't go together in this helicopter. This is also an air transport. This is also an air transport. So children, you have seen air transport. Now we are going to introduce few vocab words, few vocabulary words. And my first word is cockpit. What is my first word? Cockpit. Do you know who flies plane? Who? Driver? No. Pilot flies plane. And where pilot uncle sits? That is called cockpit. What is cockpit? Cockpit is a place where pilot sits and fly an aeroplane. Okay, so where pilot sits in an aeroplane, that is called cockpit. And only pilot can enter cockpit. We people can't enter in cockpit. You and me can't go. Yes, we are not allowed to go in cockpit. Only pilot sits in the cockpit. Now, do you want to see that cockpit with ma'am? Do you want to see? Okay, I'll show you. Come. So, children, who are they? Who are they? They are pilot. They are pilot, and where they are sitting? They are sitting in a cockpit. It's an aeroplane, and in an aeroplane there is a place called cockpit where they sit and they fly aeroplane. They fly aeroplane. So this is a cockpit where pilot sits in an aeroplane. So children, you have seen cockpit. Now the other word is runway. My another word is runway. Okay. So what is runway? Runway is a place, is a path from where aeroplane takes off and lands. Is a path from where aeroplane takes off and lands. That's like car moves on the road. Yes. Same way aeroplane runs on the runway. It does not run on the road. It runs on the runway. So from where aeroplane takes off and lands. Do you want to see a runway? Yes? Come, I'll show you. So children, can you see where this plane is standing? This plane is standing on a road that is called runway. From this runway, aeroplane will take off and will land also. This is a runway. This is a runway. Can you see any other land transport moving here? No. Because it's a runway where only aeroplane can take off and lands. Now children, you have seen runway. Now I am going to introduce another word that is called takeoff. That is called takeoff. And what is takeoff? Takeoff is when aeroplane starts flying up in the air. When aeroplane starts going up in the air. That is called takeoff. You want to see how aeroplane takes off? Yes? Come, I will show you. So children, can you see this aeroplane? Aeroplane has now started going up in the air. This is a runway from where aeroplane has started going up in the air. So it's called take off. It's called take off. Now you have seen how aeroplane takes off. Now the word is land. What is the other word? Landing. So how aeroplane lands? What is landing? Landing is when aeroplane lands on the runway. It means when aeroplane comes down on the runway. जब वो ऊपर से नीचे आता है runway पर, that is called landing. That is called landing. So what is landing? Landing means when aeroplane lands on the runway. when aeroplane lands on the runway. Do you want to see how aeroplane lands? Come, I'll show you. So children, can you see this aeroplane? Aeroplane is now landing on the runway. This is a runway where aeroplane has started landing. वो नीचे आ रहा है. So that is called landing. When aeroplane lands on the runway. So children, you have seen landing also. So now we are going to revise all the words. Runway, takeoff, landing and cockpit. Okay, so we have done 4 new words, 2 new questions and a new rhyme. So now you are going to see my video and learn all these. Okay, so that's all for the day. Love you. Take care. Bye-bye. Stay home. Stay safe. Mwah.